Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the parts of your keychain, assuming you did two different colors on your keychain. If you didn't, then you don't need to do this. So what you're going to do is File, New, Assembly. Click on that. And then once you have an assembly file open, you'll go to the Place button. Now, if a different button comes up, then you need to do this drop down. It always goes with the default's what you last used. So we want Place. And then you need to go find your parts. There's one of them. I'm going to hold down Control so I can get both of them. If you don't know how to do that, then you can just bring them in one at a time. I'm going to click once. I'm going to give it a minute because it always freezes, and then do a right click. OK. Once you have your raised pattern and your back in, you're going to do Constraint. First, use the mate and put the back side of your raised portion up against your base. Make sure you always hit apply. If you don't hit apply, that'll throw things off. And then use flush. And then you got to have something flat. So it's got to be that. And you could do an offset on this. You can play around with the numbers. If it goes the wrong way, then you need to put a negative in there. I don't have my drawing right in front of me right now, so I'm just going to approximate this. It may not look identical to the sketch you guys have in that document, and then flush the bottom here, and once again an offset, and then play around with this number. You can do this offset, and that will raise or lower. It's going to look a little different than my, something like that. And you can look at it straight on and get it where you want it to be. Make sure you hit apply. Boom. And make sure you save this thing. And pick your H drive and give it a name that makes sense. Something like Keychain Assembly. Let me know if you have any additional questions.